Again, this is Pablo with Apk Plumbing. We're here at the Rodriguez residence on Washington Street in Pasadena. We pushed the camera after hydrogenating the line. We came to the city's sewer line. We're at the neighbors across the street. As we can see, we have water entering the system. I'm going to backtrack it so we can see the conditions of the sewer line. Again, this is city sewer line. We're coming across where it ties the Rodriguez line to the city. And it appears there's a separation of sewer line, either a 90 or at a saddle connection between the city and the Rodriguez sewer system. We have approximately 5 feet of standing water. No indications of broken line. Slight separation here. This is a connection of an existing ABS in front of the house, right in front of the property. As you can see, there's some roots infested there at the connection of the old clay with the new plastic. That part will be repaired when the system gets possibly relined. This system will be open. This section will be definitely removed to make that connection. And I'll backtrack the rest of the system. It's all ABS, and it looks in very good shape. No problems or issues on this particular side of it. Yeah, nice and clean. And this will conclude our sewer inspection at the Rodriguez residence here in Washington Street, Pasadena.